How to become SEO expert. 19 things you need to know. 1. Understand the basics of SEO. 2. Build your own website. 3. Learn WordPress. 4. Learn Google Analytics and Google Search Console. 5. Read about SEO every day. 6. Understand how search engine work. 7. Read Google Quality Rater guidelines. 8. Look at the SERPs. 9. Learn about technical SEO. 10. Learn about content strategy, creation, optimization and promotion. 11. Use link building tactics that actually work. 12. Follow SEO experts on Twitter. 13. Attend SEO in conferences. 14. Listen to podcasts. 15. Grow your personal network. 16. Keep learning and growing your skill set. 17. Take advantage of free courses. 18. Learn from your mistakes. 19. Be patient. Subscribe for more.